Hi, I'm Dr. Fisher, the proud superintendent of the Roselle Public Schools. Our district has always been a place of possibilities. Take it from me, I arrived here as a substitute teacher back in 1990, and I've spent my entire career serving Roselle students, and I want every one of them to find their own path to success. We work hard to provide students with extensive opportunities here at the Roselle Public Schools. The Board of Education and district leaders have found creative ways to fund building improvements at no additional cost to taxpayers. But there are limits to what we can do with our current space. Our youngest students feel the most impact. We hold a lottery for our pre-K program, and dozens of students remain on our waiting list. Many of our pre-K and kindergarten students attend school in rented space at a cost of more than $500,000 a year. These classrooms are not designed according to New Jersey standards. Many are too small and they have no bathrooms or storage. Plus, the lack of dedicated school space for early elementary education creates crowding across the rest of the district.
For many members of our community, the conversation about building a school isn't new. What was once a future consideration has now become an urgent reality. Our district is serving more students with more diverse learning needs. We are running out of space to serve our students effectively. Renting more space may address today's needs, but it is a Band-Aid on a challenge that has been growing for years. That is why the Roselle Board of Education is moving forward with a plan to transform our district and community. On September 15th, our community will vote on a bond referendum that would finance critical school improvements. When voters approve a referendum, Roselle receives state aid that we cannot access through our regular school budget. State aid lowers the amount that our community pays towards the project cost. We also want our senior homeowners to know that there are programs available to help ease the burden of property taxes. Using one application, seniors can sign up for 3 state tax relief programs.
The bond referendum includes projects that could make a powerful difference for our students and elevate our entire community. A new 3-story school building for pre-K through grade 2 will be built on Chandler Avenue on property the district already owns. Students will have a space for services and programs that support a strong foundation. All pre-K and kindergarten classrooms would have a bathroom, which is a state requirement. The gym and auditorium will be available for community use outside of school hours.
One of the most meaningful benefits of a new school building is that it would be fully ADA compliant, so all students, families, staff, and community can take part in school life with dignity and ease. This issue is deeply personal to me. My son is a former Roselle Public School student who suffered a life-changing brain injury while he was a student. Today he uses a wheelchair, and because many of our older buildings were not designed with modern accessibility standards in mind, attending certain school events and activities can be challenging or in some cases simply impossible. A new school would offer learning spaces that are modern, safe, and welcoming to everyone. We also could create a more connected and consistent educational journey for all students. Our students attend as many as 6 different schools, from pre-K through graduation, and each move requires adjustments to new buildings, routines, and classmates. More space will provide flexibility to reduce transitions district-wide, giving students more time to form relationships and settle in and learn.
We will be able to offer 2 junior high schools with Grace Wilday and Leonard V. Moore, both serving grades 6 through 8. Wilday would be a school for the arts, and Moore would be a school for innovation. Those 2 schools, as well as the elementary schools, will get makerspaces through the bond referendum. Makerspaces offer hands-on modern instruction. Our STEAM machine currently brings those types of opportunities to schools on a rotating basis. This project will provide permanent spaces for innovative learning. At Abraham Clark High School, our historic auditorium needs attention. Proposed projects include new light fixtures, stage lighting, repainted and restored walls and ceiling, and a refinished stage floor. Carpeting, drapes would be updated, and the balcony rail would be replaced to enhance safety. Of course, safety is a priority at Roselle Schools, and we need to make our school entrances more secure. Now, this referendum includes safety vestibules at all schools so office staff could screen visitors before they enter the building. The final project reflects our commitment to serve all learners. We will convert part of our central office into a transition center to prepare adult students with special needs for independent living and the workforce.
At the heart of this referendum is a simple belief. When we invest in our schools, we invest in the future of our entire community. Strong schools impact where families choose to live, help support property values, and contribute to the overall vitality of our borough. This referendum is not only about addressing today's needs, it is about positioning Roselle for tomorrow by creating schools and shared spaces that reflect the pride, potential, and promise of our borough.
The bond referendum will be held on a special election date on September 15th so that voters can focus solely on the school ballot questions. Voting by mail will be available for the election. To apply to vote by mail and for other important information, such as voter deadlines and polling locations, please visit our website. Now, we ask you to see our website and social media accounts to learn more about the proposed projects. We will hold informational events, and we will have presence at all school and community activities from now through the vote. I want to thank you for your interest in the future of the Roselle Public Schools. And remember to vote September 15th.